Exploring different cultures broadens your perspective on the world. I prefer to travel off the beaten path to discover hidden gems. Traveling can be a life-changing experience for many people. I always try to learn a few phrases in the local language before I visit a new country. Sustainable tourism is crucial for preserving natural and cultural heritage. My last trip to Italy was an incredible journey through history and cuisine. When packing for a trip, it's essential to consider the climate and culture of the destination. Staying in a homestay can offer a more authentic experience than a hotel. It's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions when traveling. Backpacking through Southeast Asia is a popular choice for many young travelers. I always make sure to have comprehensive travel insurance before going abroad. The scenic landscapes of New Zealand are a paradise for nature lovers. Learning about a country's history can make your travel experience more meaningful. I love trying street food to get a real taste of local flavors. Visiting World Heritage sites is like stepping into the pages of history. Navigating through a foreign city's public transport system can be both challenging and rewarding. Experiencing different climates can be one of the most exciting aspects of travel. Travel blogs and vlogs can be great sources of inspiration and information. Immersing yourself in a different culture can be both exhilarating and intimidating. One of the best parts of traveling is making new friends from around the world. It's wise to keep track of your spending to stay within your travel budget. Many travelers keep a journal to document their experiences and reflections. I always check the local customs and etiquette to avoid inadvertently offending anyone. Planning a trip can be just as exciting as the journey itself. A guided tour can offer insights into places you might otherwise miss. Sometimes the most memorable experiences come from unplanned adventures. It's important to be aware of environmental impacts when choosing travel destinations. Sampling local cuisine is a highlight of any travel experience. I always try to pack light to make travel more convenient and flexible. Staying in hostels is a great way to meet other travelers on a budget. It's fascinating to see how different cultures celebrate their unique festivals and traditions. I often use travel apps to help navigate and find recommendations. Understanding a country's political history can add depth to your travel experience. Solo travel can be a great way to discover more about yourself. It's important to respect wildlife and natural habitats when traveling. Taking a long-haul flight can be exhausting, but it's worth it for the destination. Cultural exchanges during travel can lead to lifelong friendships. I make sure to stay hydrated and rested during my travels. Visiting museums and galleries is a great way to understand a country's art and history. I always look for eco-friendly travel options to minimize my carbon footprint. Experiencing jet lag is common when traveling across multiple time zones. Trying new activities, like scuba diving or hiking, can be highlights of a trip. It's helpful to read up on local scams to avoid being a target. Attending a local cooking class is a fun way to learn about regional cuisine. A travel itinerary helps in organizing your plans and maximizing your time. Sometimes language barriers can lead to humorous misunderstandings. I prefer using public transportation to get a real feel of the city's daily life. It's amazing how travel can change your perceptions and attitudes. I like to buy local handicrafts as souvenirs to support the community. Returning home with a suitcase full of memories is always the best part of the journey.